What's good, everyone? Eric Oakley of Infinite Discs, Thought Space, and Clash Discs. This is the van. This is Nancy. Nancy Nissan. She's Vancy. So we have an awesome setup in here. I want to show it off to all of you because this is what I and James are going to be traveling in this season. It's going to be so much fun. We have built it out. The man behind the camera, Zak Benson, Rainbow Smog, Prismatic Gear, King of the 8 Holes, and Tom 7, Missy Gannon's caddy extraordinaire, helped build this van out. It is so sick. We were able to kind of modify it off of these amazing black bins that are great for storage and great for vending to really kind of set it up to have kind of just seamless usage. You know, we have plenty of space up here. Come on in. James and I are going to be super comfortable traveling, a little extra storage, you know, plenty of stuff. We even have power in here and in the back. So if we want to, you know, run anything while we're running an event, we can make it happen. It's going to be super simple. We're going to get some seat covers for these, make them look a little bit nicer. But she's rocking. The wrap job is super sweet. Thank you, Pensacola Sign, for helping make that happen. They made it, they wrapped it seamlessly. It looks so good. And we're just stoked about it. So really cool thing. We have this upper platform, which is going to be used mainly for storage, any of the stuff that James and I, our stuff or excess vending stuff. We'll get to the vending in the back. That's where I think this van really starts to pop off. Easy access underneath to put bins, tables, you name it. We can fit so much down there. Everything fits really comfortably. We can fit multiple bins. Bins fit this way. They all work super well. Yeah, boxes, you name it. We're gonna probably be putting our bags, our luggage, you name it. It's gonna be all throughout here. It's gonna be sweet. But now to the back where all the magic is gonna happen, where you're gonna see us on the road vending a ton. It's gonna be me, James, Erica Stinchcomb, Maria Oliva, and many other players are gonna be out there at the tables showing off and really kind of, you know, hyping up these brands, which is amazing. So pretty cool option. Easy space for a tent here. Tons of space. These are where the tables are going to go. They're going to slide in. They're going to be strapped in on the back so they don't slide forward when we hit the brakes. We have these lips that are nice, so it keeps the bins in. It should be really hard for these to move, but we can fit 18 bins across. We have enough storage for 4 to 5 tables. We can add more up top. Talk about big setup. We're going to have tons of Infinite Discs, Clash Discs, Thought Space Athletics. We're going to even have other brands that, you know, that are looking to support us on the road, which is great. So
it's like 600 discs.
It's so many discs. Plus, we're going to have back stock, so whenever you come to an event, you know you're going to be able to find the goods. It's amazing. I can't thank Tom and Zak enough for helping make this build happen. We did it in less than a week. It ended up being perfect. So come see us. One of the best parts, we're going to have healthy stock of whale sacks. This is probably one of the best things you're going to be able to get from us. Goes to support a great cause, lots of great team members, you name it. Also, I'll even have some European birdie bags with me. They're hard to get because they only come from Europe, but they're going to be more here in the States very, very soon. I mean, look at this thing. We got the amazing Whale Sacks logo, Thought Space, the Clash, the Infinite, hitting it with the EO in the middle. It just came out great. So again, thanks to Pensacola Sign. Thanks to all these companies for coming together and helping make this happen. Thanks to Zak, thanks to Tom, and thanks to all of you, because we wouldn't be doing this and looking to add a vending setup if it wasn't to kind of hype you all up and give you guys something that, you know, we really haven't done in a while. So check us out on the tour, hitting almost every single Pro Tour, Silver Series, major event. We will be there, we will be set up, and, you know, check this YouTube channel. Lots of videos to come. Is that good?